Chat GPT
has launched.
Chat
GPT
has launched. Chat GPT has launched.
The newly launched Chat GPT is now available, and I must admit that each time I used Chat GPT 3.5, I was quite impressed. But with the release of Chat GPT-4, the experience is even more advanced, and I'm eager to explore its capabilities. So, in this video, I'll be showcasing the impressive features of Chat GPT-4. So in this video, I'll be covering how is Chat GPT-4 is different to Chat GPT 3.5 and what are the new capabilities and how and where to use Chat GPT-4. GPT-4 is like an upgraded version of GPT 3.5. In simple terms, computer program that can understand and generate human-like language while less capable than human in real-world scenarios. So OpenAI recently introduced a new version called Chat GPT-4, which is a large multimodal, which can also understand pictures. For example, when someone asked, "What can I make with these ingredients?" and showed a picture of food in a fridge, GPT-4 provided a recipe with step-by-step instructions. So here's another example I will show. That input was, "What can I make with these ingredients?" and uploaded a picture of some flour and eggs, and using this information GPT-4 analyzed the image and generated recipes based on the ingredient visible in the picture. This is what we call large multimodal version of ChatGPT-4. The next upgrade GPT-4 allows for is a longer context. It has the capability to significantly expand the word limit of an input, allowing for up to 25,000 words. It is 8 times more than the original ChatGPT model. GPT-4 has developed a lot more originality. As it says here, it can generate, edit, and iterate with other users on creative and technical writing tasks, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style. But we must remember that our creativity is what drives us forward. Therefore, we can remain optimistic that this innovation will act as a good influence in the future. On the top of this, the company also demonstrated the ability to create a whole website that successfully ran JavaScript with just a handwritten sketch of a website. Let me show you what I mean by sharing an example with you. OpenAI has created a video demonstration that showcases how ChatGPT-4 can be used to convert a simple sketch into code. What they did was to take a sketch of a website and put it into the ChatGPT-4 demo. The model generated the HTML code for the website, which was then used to create a functional website using a tool called CodePen. I mean, this is the significant capabilities of ChatGPT. You can see here, it can quickly turn a sketch into a fully functional website. As a tool to complete jobs normally done by humans, ChatGPT-3 was mostly competing with writers and journalists. However, GPT-4 is being shown to have the ability to create websites, complete tax returns, make recipes. Moreover, ChatGPT can also assist in creating video games. A person recreated the game of Pong in under 60 seconds. It was his first try. Let me show you that. So here was the prompt gave, and by copying and implementing the provided code, a working Pong game was created by ChatGPT. And the process involved is that he defined the prompt to act as a developer's utility. And here is the results. So This exciting is ChatGPT 4 with numerous of capabilities and vast potential for the future. How and where can you use the ChatGPT 4? Initially, the ChatGPT 4 version of ChatGPT is only accessible to the users on the Pro version of the software. The Pro version costs $20 per month and there is currently a long waiting list to join. However, Microsoft's new Binge version is using ChatGPT 4 and is free to use, although it also has a waiting list, but still you can try exploring it. I was pleasantly surprised to discover that ChatGPT 4 exceeded my expectations. If you found that the 3.5 model was unable to accurately answer your factual questions, I suggest giving GPT-4 a try to see can now provide the answers you seek. If you found this video informative or helpful in any way, I would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by liking and subscribing my channel to grow my algorithm. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.